Traveling soon? The right backpack can make or break your trip. Today, I'll show you the 3 best travel backpacks you need to check out, built for comfort, style, and practicality. 1. Osprey Farpoint. At 40 liters, it's carry-on size for most airlines, meaning you can skip checked luggage. The shoulder straps and hip belt make it feel more like a hiking pack, so you can carry it for hours without discomfort. Plus, it has lockable zippers and a large main compartment that's easy to pack. If you want comfort and reliability on the road, this is your go-to. 2. Nomatic Travel Pack. This one is designed for ultimate organization. It expands from 20 liters to 30 liters, giving you flexibility for short trips or longer journeys. The bag is water-resistant, has RFID-safe storage, and tons of compartments for laptops, chargers, and even shoes. If you're a digital nomad or someone who loves staying organized, this backpack is like having a portable office on your back. 3. Aer Travel Pack. 3. It's made from ballistic nylon, so it's tough enough for daily commutes or international travel. Inside, it has separate compartments for clothes, tech gear, and essentials, plus a clamshell opening that makes packing feel like a suitcase. The sleek design also means it works great for both business and casual trips. This is the ultimate all-rounder backpack. Each of these backpacks has its own strength, comfort, organization, or versatility. No matter what kind of traveler you are, one of these will fit your journey perfectly. Hit that like button if this helped you, and follow for more gear tips before your next trip.